Former President Donald Trump's sentencing in the hush money case is scheduled for January 10th, 2024. The case revolves around the payments made during his 2016 presidential campaign to silence claims of an affair, which Trump allegedly tried to conceal by falsifying business records. Trump was convicted on 34 felony counts related to this, but despite the serious charges, Judge Juan M. Merchan has indicated that Trump is unlikely to face jail time. Instead, a fine or probation could be possible, given the nonviolent nature of the crime and his clean criminal record. The decision will have major implications for Trump's political career as he continues to run for president in 2024. Trump's legal team has already signaled plans to appeal, arguing that the case should have been dismissed on constitutional grounds. This makes the case a significant legal and political moment in the lead up to the next presidential election.